The only reason I flinch is because he or she, I'm not sure, keeps landing on me. He's just learning how to fly. I think it's a boy, just from how I feel about it, but he keeps landing right on me. So that's why I'm flinching, because I expect him to come right in my eyes. But I'm not, I mean, it's gotten to know me, but not free. This is first day that, well, it's been free for a short time, but I'm gonna make it. I'm putting in like a real little tree with stuff hanging in it and stuff in the living room, and gonna let it just do its thing in the house all the time. Just set areas up for it.